Outside people, you don't need to boy RJLO and welcome back to another YouTube video. I don't know, so they're in another place. As you can meticulously scrutinize it, I don't know, so just wake up on there and easy. Guys, I don't know, big up to everybody we have been support up on the YouTube. I don't know that I quote. So today we are going on a different video. See? So today basically I'm gonna show you how to become a YouTuber, guys. I'm gonna show you how to become a YouTuber and how to start making money from YouTube. You see me? So before I go into the video, I just want to make you know, say, guys, remember say Chrissy page get deleted. She just there 6 bills. We are trying to get her to 1,000, guys. And the key part into doing this my side, everybody will watch Chrissy videos, all I want to watch Chrissy video from start till finish. Because it's harder for her to get back her YouTube specifications it just I forget about our YouTube gadgets and our monetization without you guys watching her videos from start till finish. When you no longer watch our video them for 8, 6 and 9 and 10 minutes, guys, them videos we know she now get our watch hours for now. So without further ado, let's get in the video. First things first, YouTube is not a joke platform. YouTube is a very hard to understand platform. Yeah, I'm gonna say it like that. First things first, to be a YouTuber, you always have to be consistent. You always have to have good type of videos, all different kind of things. But we are going in step by step. So we're gonna start off with basically having a whole YouTube channel. Okay, making a YouTube channel and posting, that's one thing you're supposed to always do when time you just start as a YouTuber. You need to post. Then you can't make a 2 days, 3 days pass and you're not posting. Then you need to make content that is, what I can say now, you need to make content to grab the people them attention. You see it? So first things first, we're going to basically explain to you how to get a YouTube channel started. First things first, I always get a question from people when time them ask me to set up a YouTube channel for them. First things first, when you have a Google channel, you automatically have a YouTube channel. Then YouTube channel is not something that you specifically make, because once you want to watch YouTube and comment on things, you have to sign in. And once you sign in on YouTube, you already have a YouTube channel. You just need to upload things on your channel. That's the whole situation. Uploading videos, you need to upload videos on your YouTube to make it more active. Then, if you're just starting out as a YouTuber and you're trying to tell persons your name to search for you, to look for you, they're not gonna find you. Then them not gonna find the majority of the time. You need to build a steady something upon YouTube. What I can say, you need to build a steady posting rate on YouTube to build up your name in it. Then, cause even now I think, like if you try to search for her, you gotta say one bag of random people first before you see for your YouTube channel. My name now, from writing RJ and not ARJAY, me I gonna come up because me been consistent on YouTube for over 2-3 years now. So basically, my name stamp. Then producing content is how you're gonna get your name stamp. The more you produce content, it's best. Try aim for something entertaining, fun, or by the end of the day, think about this. People like they're in your business. So if you can post your business and you don't care about it, you can. I'm not tell you to put your business out there on the media, you know. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying that Jamaicans, foreigners, them think all different kind of way. People want to see other people's business. People want to see entertainment. People want to see all of them something there. You see, okay, when you post videos now, you see, if you want to post good videos for your videos to push out far, you need to post long videos. Long videos, I'm talking about videos 15 minutes long, 10 minutes long, because that's also one of the major requirements in YouTube in some aspects, in some which cases. Then, promoting. You have to promote your YouTube channel to your full extent on Instagram, YouTube. Come on, I'm gonna tell you, subscribers is not very easy to get, and it's not easy to build up back, and it's not easy to keep active. Them 3 things about subscribers, please bear that in mind. YouTube is nothing like Instagram or TikTok. You can go dormant, you cannot post anything on Instagram or TikTok for about 2 weeks and still come back and you're relevant. You can't run them joke there with YouTube, because persons on YouTube, they're not bounded. Okay, so persons that are viewing person's channel, they're not always bounded. You see, the only time you can do that is if you're like an established YouTuber like Gian Ken. Now Gian Ken go 1 year without posting and post back a video and get back their views, because they're more established and them found. Basically what I say is them just step on YouTube longer. It's when you post your videos, they're gonna automatically get promoted. Differently from you promoting them, they're gonna automatically get promoted. Because based on the type of content that you post, YouTube are gonna show you, one type of algorithm. Zine, so like me now, I am posting relationship videos with iPink. Zine, so basically when persons watch my videos, I'm basically being caught in the YouTube couple algorithm. You have all different kind of algorithm on YouTube. You have YouTube couple algorithm, you have pranking algorithm, you have going on this you have question and answer algorithm, all different kind of algorithm. Isn't it? Next thing, making money. Making money is the next crucial thing. All right, watch hours now. Everyone needs to get their watch hours to stay relevant on YouTube. And I stop saying everybody needs to get their watch hours and keep it. Next thing, alright, how to keep your views up. Zane, this is a question. How to keep your views up. Alright, basically I'm gonna tell you one bag of things where I gonna depend on your type of video. And don't think I lie me I tell. Like me serious, one time I say them sitting here. Them sitting here affect your views and your video itself. First things first, the quality of the video that you're doing is very crucial to entire the YouTube video. The quality of your video is very crucial. Your personality is what makes your YouTube special. Persons are watching your YouTube channel to see your personality or to see the other person's personality. Nobody's just coming on YouTube because they just want something fast. You see, there's 1 million things on YouTube that somebody can fast pan. When somebody has said them a fast pan, you know, them enjoy your personality, bro. Then you have to push out your personality to the full extent on YouTube. Make them say he's a creative person. Make them say he's a mad person. Make them say he's a extra person. Just find something that fit you, bad bro. Anything that fit you, mama, just do that. Then, and you have to keep on trying. You see, if you don't try, I don't see what works out for you. Because bear in mind, you know, everybody on YouTube is known for something different. And it's not everything you do on YouTube is going to be recognized by the same amount of views that you always get. Whatever someone is used to. But for example, check out my YouTube channel and check the logistics. I mainly get views based on when I do it's like when I'm in a relationship or persons know about my business, and that's crazy. And that's like you have persons that do pranks and persons stay in tune for prank, but majority of the time doing YouTube videos, when you're migrating in a different type of content, it's really hard for persons to say, yo, yeah, man, we'll soon get that money making part of YouTube. Want to understand, because in order for reach that money making part of YouTube, we need to understand this. So I say, Zane, all right, next thing now. You know, I'm just going a money making thing. Alright, I'm going there. How to make money? How long you make your videos are also a next thing on YouTube. That's thing that also pushes your video also. Some of you are not gonna understand this, but I'm gonna say it one time. YouTube has two different set of platforms. You have short platforms and you have YouTube video platforms. You have vlogs and them type of videos. Short platforms are basically them videos that you see less than a minute where you can scroll through. Then you can post those also. And you have the normal videos that are over 8 minutes long. Basically, if you post a video over 2 minutes long, it's gonna be very bad for you. If you post a video that is 1 minute or less long, that's good in terms of it. In terms of if it was a short, because bear in mind, the longer you make an official YouTube video, it goes on two different parts. If you look on YouTube, you have one part where say YouTube videos, one part where say YouTube shorts. Then the longer you make your video them on YouTube, the better. And when you make videos underneath 1 minute, that's also better. But don't make no video over 2 minutes, 3 minutes. We don't pass the 8 minutes. Don't make no videos in between those two times after that one basically. I said. Now we reach to the nitty gritty and next part now. How to make money from this shit. This is the part where I want to there for. First things first, guys. I'm gonna introduce you to YouTube monetization. So first things first, to become a YouTuber that's getting paid on YouTube, you have to be doing content that's not really violent, too damaged, and them something there. Let me tell you how YouTube works. YouTube and Google, alright, I basically say it like Jamaican, because the first time I explain it to you, majority of them not gonna understand. I'm gonna say it like this. So YouTube link up with Google. Google link up with YouTube, whichever one you want to call it. Google have some money they want to spend on some people, but them not have nobody for advertise it. So them link up with YouTube now, and YouTube will borrow some of them people on them platform to give to you. So when you get paid on YouTube, Google is the one that's paying you, not YouTube. Google is paying you. YouTube is just making you ride a platform. All right, YouTube basically give one car for drive and make your money. They want easier way. YouTube give one car for drive and make money. So basically, you making videos on YouTube, you get paid from Google AdSense. Subscribers. I think by now everybody knows that you need 1,000 subscribers to be paid on YouTube, or eligible to be paid on YouTube. 1,000 subscribers. Bear in mind what I said in the earlier half. Subscribers are not easy to build and maintain like followers on Instagram or TikTok. Slightest mix up people gone. Slightest miss people gone. That we should have said a while ago. Yeah, that was the more correct phase. Yeah, next thing now, watch hours. Watch hours is what I've been telling you guys about. Watch hours is basically how long someone watch a video. Then, alright, somebody gonna ask me now. Alright, person are gonna ask me right now, RJ, what are watch hours? Okay, I'm gonna explain to you what are watch hours. So, to be paid on YouTube, you need 4,000 watch hours in total in the last 28 days. How are we gonna do that? Let me explain it to you. Let's say we have this bottle of water. Alright, let's say we have this bottle. Then, we call the bottle YouTube. Okay, let's say I post a video that is 30 minutes long. Right? I post a video that is 30 minutes long. When one person watches that video for the whole 30 minutes and do not jump off, let's take that 30 minutes and put it in this bottle. Right? 30 minutes gone in the YouTube bottle. That's from one person watching the video from start till finish. Then, number 2. If I post a video for 1 hour, this is the easiest way of how to do it now. If I post a video that's 1 hour and I get 4,000 persons to watch that video for the whole 1 hour, you get your money, you get your 4,000 watch hours already. Now I explain it one more time because I know someone might lose some amount. See? Basically, watch hours is how long someone sit down and watch your videos for. Then, again, watch hours is how long someone sits down and watch your videos for on YouTube. So basically when someone watches a video for like 10 minutes out of the 20 minutes, that's watch hours. Then if you post a 20-minute video and someone only watches 10 minutes of the video and then jump off or do something else, that 10 minutes for them just watch, put that in the jump. Somebody else watch your videos for that amount of minutes when them watch the video for, take that, put in the jump. You see them minutes there, them are gonna keep on going at the back layer. Them are gonna keep on going at the back layer until it reach 4,000 hours. So when they have 4,000 hours, those are 4,000 hours of watch time. That is watch time, guys. Because you need the 4,000 hours of watch time and you need 1,000 subscribers to get paid on Instagram. And even when you get those two things, your YouTube has to be verified. Then and you're not gonna get the email that says that you're eligible to be monetized same time after you get monetized. You see, YouTube like watch people, cause right about now, you know what I mean, past 100K, and just because I wasn't posting, YouTube now like I'm a plaque. My plaque, my RJ LOL 100,000 subscribers plaque, I haven't received it as yet. YouTube, fix that for me please. You see me? Yo, fix that now. So yeah, I haven't received my plaque yet, but yeah guys. So basically, once you pass a milestone on YouTube, you have to always be posting the same way. Because they want to know that you passed the milestone by a long run. Them no want say as they get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours flat. Them not gonna get it same time. They have to wait like after you like hit 1 more 2 more weeks of posting non-stop. No man, not so much. 1 week of posting non-stop. In my case now, me will like 2 weeks. You see, cause me extra, me like the factory. So yeah. So YouTube pays you every month basically, and YouTube pays based by the ads that persons watch on your video. Once you are eligible to be monetized on YouTube, you're gonna get the option. And so once them clear everything and make sure say YouTube good and family friendly and thing, they're gonna go and check your account. You see, if you have no outrageous things, no things already forget banned for. You see, they're not gonna make a quick check. But majority of the time, them not find nothing from people channel. You see. So after that now you're gonna be they might get the option for put ads in on the video. Like the ads them are coming on my video. I don't know if you guys saw ads coming in this video, but if you've been seeing them, please to watch them and please to watch the whole 30 seconds of it. Ads is basically the way how we go about getting paid on YouTube. They can get ads on your shorts, you can get ads on your YouTube videos, whichever one, guys. It's very easy. But after you get it, you're gonna have to build and build and build. Zine, for the people who they're very, very close to watch hours, I want to know how to fix up them YouTube. You can basically link me. Is it? But that's basically all you need to know of how to be paid on YouTube, bro. It's that easy and simple. Is it? Big up on yourself, my side. You see, I think that's it. I'm really forgot to make breakfast now because I'm gonna get up. But just really want to do that video because everybody gonna ask me about getting paid on YouTube. I'm just want to show them how for them to do it. So, like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna look for a skit to do, guys. Check my Instagram, or check my YouTube, or check my TikTok. By now I'm probably post a video. So go and check it out. Guys, look out for more YouTube videos coming soon. I don't know when I'm gonna post the next one. I don't know if it's gonna be today or tomorrow. But it's not gonna be the next day. And it's not gonna be the following day after that. It's gonna be early. But now go on no more. I'm here. I try to make sure so I build up the thing. Is it? So yeah, guys, I remember Chrissy YouTube channel. All I only need to subscribe. All I only need to watch her videos from start till finish so she can get back her watch hours. Because bear in mind, Chrissy lost all of her watch hours from start to finish, lose all of our subscribers. No, just like how I explained to you, she's gonna have to build up her subscribers all over again. She's gonna have to build up her watch hours all over again. So that's why we really are asking to watch our videos from start till finish. Guys, it's very crucial when you watch our videos from start till finish. Like even this video now, I know some people know watch this from start till finish. Some people jump off from 5 minutes ago. The minute they hear me explain about how to make money, them jump off already. Some of it still there, big up on yourself. But yeah, but all I want to just understand, so we need everybody to sit down and watch the videos them from start till finish. That's gonna be the key aspects of this, guys. A lot of shit are going down. And pretty soon, me and Chrissy are go camping. I'm not sure. I'm gonna bring the idea to it. I don't bring the idea to her as yet, but I'm gonna do it. But let me know, guys, would you want to see me and Chrissy go camping in the woods? Like literally, let me know. We outside.